I smell it.
What said so?
Oh, man.
I just tapped it, baby.
Yeah.
You too. That's it, baby. You too. This your boy Tone coming back at y'all, man. One more again with another great video on Chevys R Us. You too. As y'all already know, we got the drive shaft fixed in the 72 convertible Impala. So what we gonna do now, me and my son, say what's up, Mage.
What's up?
Me and Mage are gonna take y'all for a test drive. All right, YouTube, y'all ready? Here it is. Here we go. Be back in a minute. You too. Got this thing on the road. Y'all know what time it is. Out with my son. Y'all see, man, we riding, man. We riding.
No, we chilling and grilling.
That's right, YouTube. Y'all hear it? Watch this. Yeah, baby. All right, back up.
I smell it.
What said so?
Oh, man.
I just tapped it, baby.
Yeah.
You too. That's it, baby. I tell you what, let me go this way right here.
Finale.
That's it, baby. You too. Let's get it, baby.
Pinning you back.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, pinning you back in there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's it, you too. That's it.
I feel like we was at the track.
Hey, I gotta get a chunk on it. A positive chunk.
I feel like we was at the track.
Yes, sir.
And that's what waiting.
Man, this thing here, man, I hit it. It'll drop like the passing gear. It'll bump down and start spinning, boy, going 30, 40 miles an hour.
Raw power.
Let's turn
Still getting down. And still busting out.
It's still spinning, but
And still be going about 30 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Still brake tires.
God damn, boy.
That motherfucker let skirt. Doing goddamn about 40.
Alright, with people in the car. I said, with people in the car.
Yeah,
So
we
you
got
know,
4 people in the car.
Yeah, and still can brake tires.
It moves though. It moves, man.
Yeah, she will.
I feel it. I feel that motherfucking power.
Front end. Raised up.
Oh yeah.
I gotta adjust the transmission settings so it won't shift so quick, and I can adjust it to where it have a little more. The kick is a little harder when the chain get. You know what I'm saying?
I heard it doing this.
But I got to adjust it. I need to adjust it out. I ain't played with the transmission settings yet on the computer.
Yeah, that's gonna be dope there, man.
Yeah, it'll drag out a little bit longer like I wanted to, coming out of first gear. I wanted to drag out just a little bit longer, maybe about 6-7 more miles per hour.
She got some
and
spunk
get a little
to it.
bark to it.